6 horses in my hands, waiting in suspense. There's no lack of trusting me. The smell of flower warning is coming close to the branches. I see nothing, scratch my arm. Eyes are turning red. Should I stay or should I go? I don't know. Look out, they're almost ahead. Run, run, run as fast as you can, but they will catch you anyway. Run, 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 there is no escape. Ain't nobody that's gonna kiss my ass. They chase you back in the woods. Oh yeah, it's my turn now. Run, run, run as fast as you can, but I will catch you anyway.